Do you have meetings? Of course you do. And before the meeting, what do? You prepare, right? And now, everything depends of your successful meeting is how you prepare. You know what? I'm going to show you a way right now, absolutely for free, without any additional cost, without installing any other third-party tools, which can make your meeting preparation almost 5 or even 10 times better. You want that right? Of course you do. So let's get started right now, and I'm going to show you in a step-by-step right now. So first, let's talk about the old way. So normally, whenever we do a meeting preparation, normally you do it, you come to the net and you basically compose it, and then you just put down all those notes on the meetings. And you know what? I have done it for so many years. I have tons of notes I put down together for so many years. And with that thing, I had two major headaches. One of them is about I really need to go and find it before the meeting, and the second thing is about after the meeting. There's a lot of chances I lost the meetings notes, and I cannot really correlate all the meeting notes as well too. I gotta find it in different thing in different places, consume times, and that's why most of the notes I spend a lot of time preparing, and finally I don't really make the best out of them after the meeting. And that's why we help you to solve the problem right now. So let's jump into the calendar first. So now let's just jump to the calendar first, and I'll show you how to solve this one and how to do it in a new way, which can improve your meeting productivity, notes, management 5 to 10 times better. You want that, right? Of course you do. So let's get started right now. I'm gonna jump to the calendar first. All right, I'm in the calendar right now. You see I have a next meeting coming on is a board meeting. It can be I normally like to get started any kind of preparation at least 1 or 2 days before. Normally I do that. It can even before the meeting for brainstorming too. So I have a board meeting coming on. So I have a description section already in it here. But the thing is about, if I go in and if I edit this one and I put it on here, that means everybody of this meeting participant will be able to see that one. I don't want them to see it because it's my own thoughts, it's my own preparation, it's my own game to make my objective successful, my purpose to be shine up in the meetings, right? So now the second thing is about if I just go in and I can click the tech meeting notes here, it will be also shared to the all participant as well too. I don't want to do that, right? Because I have the same problem updating the description too. I don't want to make it happen. So what I want to do, I want to have my own thoughts, but I want to have a proper way. And I want to inform myself, and I want to have that well linked with me. How? To do this one, I will show you right now. The first thing first, click on the calendar invitation and go all the way to top right corner. You see there's a Keep. Keep, it's actually a free app. It's like, even you're using a paid accounts or free Gmail accounts, you always have the Keep. Where it is, I'll show you right now. You go up, all the application, you just scroll down, and there you go. You already have a Keep. Doesn't matter, you're using the G Suite paid accounts or even the Gmail accounts too. I'm just repeating that one so for you to really imagine there's something already there and you just didn't have to use it yet. So now, you click that one, pop it up, and go all the way, and you top right corner, and you see it's opening right now. You click this new notes, and then you can see immediately, you can see this one, there's a title, and there is something already been tagged. It's a board meeting. So this is the board meeting names is already been tagged down automatically by default. Every time the title of the meeting will be already been tagged down, and that will be a game changer because I can easily then source them in my Keep, and I find them anytime I want, and I will show you how to do that as well too. So now let's say a template is about my winning, my game example. Like an example, I'm putting on here, inputs I will provide, inputs I will need, the objective for myself, my team example. So now I I'm just doing the rumbling thing, preparing all my game plan, and I just save this one, and now it's already there. All right. So now how to find this one, right? It's a very easy to find this. You scroll down and you can see immediately, you can see this one, my game plan is already here. And now, not only that, I can also find them in a Keep as well, and I'll show you in a bit right now. To go to the Keep, we just go back here, and we're gonna click on this one, we're gonna app, and we're gonna just go all the way down. You can see Keep, I clicked it on. And then immediately you can see I have my game plan thing on already here. And this the board meeting is already in here, and this is the best part. I can come in and I can add more levels like the meeting notes. If I whatever I want, I can just add it on here too. But here's the best part. I just open this one, go all the way up, and I just write it down, board meeting. The title of the meeting, and immediately it's already pop up. Like an example, if you don't want to type, normally I love doing this one. You just come in, click the meeting name, title, copy it, go all the way down, paste it, enter, boom, this already information. So now I'm very well synchronized of all the meeting, and I can go to meeting rooms and I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to go somewhere else. I can just open it up. I can take the notes. I can take the notes here. I can take a look into it and I can deliver my message. And then you're thinking that how to take notes during the meeting as well too. I'm going to also show you in another tutorial, but I think one of the things is going to be very important for you, that one. The note is just not for taking notes. The note should be our asset, because every time we invested our time into it, it should turn into our asset so we can use it over and over and over. And that's why I love the concept of second brain. That means we have one head, but we're building a second brain around it who actually stored a lot more information, help us on that one. How to do that? I made a detailed tutorial about it. Check the video right now here. It'll pop up and I'll see you there right now to explain you so you can get your second brain ready. Next week, we have some exciting plans, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it out.